Hi, want to know how to enable or disable Clipboard on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to open any application where we can just open our keyboard. So I'll open Google, and here on our keyboard, you can notice this icon which looks like a little document. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see that this is the Clipboard by itself. Currently, it's enabled, and let me show you how it works. So, for example, I'll just search anything in the internet and then just copy some first text that I can find right here. So for example, I'll copy this one and then click copy. Now if we will go back and open our keyboard, here you can see that we got this text saved in the keyboard. And now all of the things from the moment when you have enabled the clipboard that you copy, they will be saved right here and you'll be able to go back to them anytime that you want. Now, if you don't like this feature and you would like to disable the clipboard, you would need to open it on your keyboard and here click on this little slider that is on the left side from this pen icon. So click on it and the clipboard now is disabled. Now, if you would like to otherwise enable the clipboard, click on the same document icon and here click on this big button, turn on clipboard, and now it's enabled. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.